This is the fifth part of complex numbers. Today I am going to explain some problems which are given mostly in 2019 mains and advanced. Yeah, these all problems are based on our previous concept. Our previous concept means concept of iota, okay, conjugate of a complex number, modulus of a complex number, and its properties. Students, this is the one of the problem which is given in 2019 mains. Okay, z is a complex number and its imaginary part is equal to 10. It is satisfied by this rule for some natural number n. Then we want to find small n value and its real part. Okay, step 1, let z equal to x plus 10 iota. Already given imaginary part of z is 10. Okay, now I want to find first of all 2z minus n by 2z plus n value, or it is also equal to 2 iota minus 1, or 2z minus n equal to 2 iota minus 1 into 2z plus n. So 2 into, instead of z I can write x plus 10 iota minus n is equal to 2 iota minus 1 into 2 into x plus 10 iota, yeah, plus n. Now we want to separate real and imaginary parts. So here 2x minus n, okay, plus 20 iota, this LHS part, this is equal to, just I want to multiply 2 iota minus 1 into, this is 2x plus n plus 20 iota. So now multiplying, first of all I want a real part, that's why minus 1 with this, minus 2x minus n, this with this, yeah, plus 40 iota square means minus 40, this is the real part. Okay, next imaginary part I want, imaginary part. So this into this means what happened another day is 4x plus 2n, okay, minus with this minus 20. So I got imaginary part, real part. Comparing real part and imaginary part on both sides. So directly I can say that this 20 equal to this 4x plus 2n minus 20, or 40 equal to 4x plus 2n, or 20 equal to 2x plus n. This is the one of the relation. Now I want compare its real part, that is 2x minus n is equal to minus 2x minus n minus 40, minus n get cancelled, 4x equal to minus 40, x equal to minus 10. So we got real part of z, that is minus 10, real part of z minus 10. Okay, real part of z minus 10 is there here also. Okay, among 1 and 3 there will be answer for that. So substitute this value here. So 20 equal to minus 20 plus n, therefore n equal to 40, n equal to 40 and real part of z equal to minus 10. So I want to search for that. So 3 is the correct answer. Student, next problem. All the points on this set S lie on dash. Option 1, circle with radius root 2, straight line with slope minus 1, circle with radius 1, straight line with slope minus 1. First of all, I want to explain what is the meaning of the problem. Yeah, S is a set of points, set of ordered pairs. One ordered pair will get from taking any value of alpha. For example, instead of alpha is taken as 2 plus iota, 3 iota. Substitute here. After simplifying, after converting to standard form, one of the point becomes a1 plus iota b1. Taking another value of alpha, you get another complex number, say a2 plus iota b1. So a plus iota b1 representing a1 comma b1 on organed plane. So this complex number representing a2 comma b2 is another point on the same organed plane. Like that, you get infinitely many points. All those points will form a circle, will form a straight line, will form a ellipse, and so on, depend upon situation. So the meaning of the question is, we want to find the locus equation of S. First of all, alpha plus iota by alpha minus iota, I want to convert this standard form. So that's why what I am doing here, alpha plus iota by alpha plus iota. So alpha square plus iota square plus 2 alpha iota by alpha square minus iota square means directly I can write plus 1. Now observe here, this is minus 1, alpha square minus 1 plus 2 alpha iota by alpha square plus 1. Now interesting step for the problem. Alpha square minus 1 by alpha square plus 1 plus 2 alpha by alpha square plus 1 into iota. Means every point in this S should have this form. Every point in S should have this form. Every point in S is in this form. Means what? These two are same only. That is, every point in S in this form only. Something plus iota something. So a plus iota be form. Do one thing. Let it is taken as x. Assume that this is in the form of x plus iota. Let this is equal to x plus iota y. Means what is the meaning of this? X equal to alpha square minus 1 by alpha square plus 1. So y is equal to what happened here? 2 alpha by alpha square plus 1. Now according to the options, I want to find the answer. So sometimes circle is given, sometimes straight line is given. Now I want to check it gives circle or not. If it gives a circle, x square plus y square should be some constant. So that's why I want to find x square plus y square here. X square plus y square equal to alpha square minus 1 by alpha square plus 1 whole square plus y square means 2 alpha by alpha square minus 1 whole square. So here I can take alpha square plus 1 whole square as LCM. Alpha square minus 1 whole square plus 4 alpha square. So numerator is the form a minus b square plus 4ab. A minus b whole square plus 4ab means a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means alpha square plus 1 whole square numerator. By denominator also same, alpha plus 1 whole square. So these two get cancelled, gives 1. Means what happened on x square plus y square equal to 1 means every point on S should satisfy this condition, x square plus y square equal to 1. Therefore locus equation of S is nothing but a circle with center 0, 0 and radius 1. So I can circle with radius 1, I can choose 3 is the correct answer. And therefore the locus equation of S is circle with center 0, 0 and radius 1. Listen, another 2019 mains problem. A is given as set of elements which are in this form, and all these elements are only pure imaginary. Then we want to find the sum of solutions of set A. Okay, so first of all I want to write this in the form of A plus iota B. After that it is given as pure imaginary. A should be equal to 0. What values of theta? A should be equal to 0. So values of theta will get, those values should be add. So then we will get the solution for the problem. Okay, so I want to write 3 plus 2 iota sin theta by 1 minus 2 iota sin theta in the form of A plus iota B. After that I will find what values of A, what values of theta, real part becomes 0. So I will get some values of theta, I will add all, that is the gives the answer for the problem. So this is 1 plus 2 iota sin theta by 1 plus 2 iota sin theta. So 3 plus 6 iota sin theta plus 2 iota sin theta, 2 iota 4 iota square is minus 1, minus 4 sin square theta by a plus b into a minus b, a square means 1, yeah, minus b square 4 iota square means directly 4 sin square theta. So this can be written as 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta plus these two are like 8 iota, 8 sin theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta into iota. But according to the problem, this is a pure imaginary, but this should be pure imaginary, means its real part should be 0, that is 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta should be 0. So denominator never 0 here, 4 sin square theta, so numerator should be 0, that is 3 minus 4 sin square theta equal 0, or sin square theta equal to 3 by 4, or sin theta equal to root 3 by 2. Sin theta equal to root 3 by 2 means one of the angle is 60 degree or pi by 3 radians, but I want to find general solution. So already you know that sin square x equal to sin square alpha, then x is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. General solution concept, sin square x equal to sin square alpha, then x equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, where alpha is one of the principal solution. So here I can take principal solution is pi by 3, then the solution for this problem is theta equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Now I want to find the solutions which are in this interval, minus pi by 2 to pi. So put n equal to 0, we will get plus or minus pi by 3, 1 is pi by 3 and there is plus pi by 3. Okay, put n equal to 1, pi plus or minus pi by 3, pi plus won't gives, but pi minus gives, pi minus pi by 3, pi minus pi by 3, okay, which is nothing but 2 pi by 3. Now sum of all these values, sum of solutions, minus pi by 3 plus pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3, this get cancelled, total summation equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore sum of all solution of the problem is nothing but 2 pi by 3. Yeah, 2 pi by 3, fourth option is correct. So we have 3 problems here. This is like a previous problem, this is 2016 mains problem. Okay, you people can complete it. This is 2019 mains problem. These are easy only, you people can do it. So another problem which is also 2019 mains, that is minus 2 minus 1 by 3 iota cube equal to x plus iota y, then what is the value of y minus x? Simple problem, just comparing real and imaginary part on either side, we will get x and y values, after that you can find y minus x. So I am simplifying, observe here, minus 6 minus iota cube by 27 equal to x plus iota y by, I think here 27 also given, okay, 27, here also 27 get answer. So now I want to expand this, or minus 6 plus iota cube equal to x plus iota y. Okay, so minus a minus b, a plus b whole cube, a cube 216 plus 3a square b, 3a square 6 square b plus 3ab square iota square plus b cube iota cube equal to x plus iota y. Now I want to simplify this, 216, 36 3s are 108 plus 108i, yeah, this is 18 minus 18 because iota square minus 1 plus iota cube means minus iota equal to x plus iota y. Yeah, 216 18 198 with minus 198, 108 minus 1 107, 107 with minus 107i is equal to x plus iota y. Now directly I can say x equal to minus 198 and y equal to minus 107. Comparing real and imaginary part on the other side. So what do you want? We want y minus x. Y minus x. Y means minus 107. Minus of minus x means minus 198. That is minus 107 plus 198. 198 minus 107. Yeah, 8 minus 7, 91 plus 91. So the value of y minus x is plus 91. Option 1 is correct. Students, another question. This is also JEE Mains 2019. Let z is a complex number such that modulus of z is less than 1. Okay, and omega is equal to 5 plus 3z by 5 times of 1 minus z. Then 4 times of imaginary part of omega is greater than 5. 5 times of real part of omega is greater than 1. 5 times of imaginary part of omega is less than 1. 5 part of real part of omega is greater than 4. So what is given here? 5 omega of 1 minus z equal to 5 plus 3z, or 5 omega minus 5 omega z equal to 5 plus 3z. I want to make z as subject because the mod of z is given as less than 1. So 5 omega minus 5 equal to 5 omega plus 3 of z, or z equal to 5 omega minus 5 by 5 omega plus 3. Okay, so what happened on here? Mod z equal to 5 times of mod omega minus 1 by mod 5w plus 3. What is given here? Mod z less than 1 means 5 times of omega minus 1 by 5 times of omega plus 3 is lesser than 1. So already modulus means non-negative. So with the condition omega is not equal to minus 3 by 5, under that condition I can write this one as 5 times of omega minus 1 lesser than 5 omega plus 3, with one condition omega is not equal to minus 3 by 5. Let omega is taken as x plus iota y. So 5 times of x plus iota y minus 1 lesser than 5 times of x iota y plus 3. So this is same as 5 times of x minus 1 plus iota y is less than 5x plus 3 plus 5y iota. So which is same as 25 into x minus 1 plus iota y square is lesser than, so modulus of 5x plus 3 plus 5y square. Already you know that z square means root over x square plus y square only. 25 times of x minus 1 square plus y square is lesser than, okay, 5x plus 3 whole square plus 25 y square. So yeah, already you know that z is taken as x plus iota y. Mod z square means x square plus y square only. So real part square plus imaginary part square, that one only. Now you need to simplify this. Just directly I am simplifying. 25x square plus 25. Here 2x will get minus 50x plus y square is lesser than. Here 25x square plus 9 plus 30x, yeah, plus 25 y square. So 25x square cancelled. I think here 25 y square, this one, okay, 25 y square. 25 square, 25 cancelled. So what you got? Yeah, transfer this 9 this side, 16 plus 80x is 16 is lesser than 80x. Observe here, 25 9. Okay. So finally 8 2s are 8 10s are 2 less than or 1 less than 5x. Here x stand for what none here? X stand for somewhere, x stand for real part of w. That's why 1 lesser than real part of w into 5. Means what is the meaning of this? Five times of real part of w greater than 1. So answer 2 is correct. Okay students, another question. A comma b comma x and z, y are real numbers and a minus b equal to 1 and y not equal to 0. If the complex number z equal to x plus iota of y satisfies this condition, then possible values of x. This is 2017 advanced multi-type question. 2017 advanced multi-type question. One or more than one correct answer. Just we want to find the az plus b by z plus 1 in the form of x plus iota y. From their imaginary part, this is imaginary part equating to y, then we will get the solution. Not big problem. Okay, first of all, az plus b by z plus 1. Okay, which is same as ax plus iota y plus b by x plus iota y plus 1 or ax plus b plus iota ay by x plus 1 plus iota y. Directly I want to make a denominator as real number. That's why x plus minus iota y by x plus 1 into minus iota y. I already explained, you need to convert this in the form of some k plus l iota form. Just multiplications, ax plus b into x plus 1. Okay, this with this, iota plus into minus iota square gives another minus 1 plus ay square. So this real part. Now I want to find imaginary part. This with this minus iota y into ax plus b. This with this plus ay of x plus 1 into iota by. So a plus b into a square minus b square means minus iota square y square. Iota square is already minus 1. So plus y square will get. Okay, now what imaginary part I want? Imaginary part of this. So directly imaginary part equal to y given. So directly I wanted imaginary part. What is the imaginary part Nana here? axy plus ay, axy plus ay minus axy minus yb. Okay, by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. It should be equal to y. So axy get cancelled. So what happened here? You can take y common numerator, a minus b by x plus 1 whole square plus y square equal to y. Already given y is not equal to 0, I can cancel y also here. Already a minus b is given as 1 also. So what happened? 1 equal to x plus 1 whole square plus y square. From this you want to find the x value. That 2 in terms of y means x plus 1 whole square equal to 1 minus y square. Okay, so x plus 1 equal to root over 1 minus y square, or I can say plus or minus. So finally what happened on here? X plus 1 equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus y square, or x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root over 1 minus y square. Means we got two x values. One of the x values is minus 1 minus root over 1 minus y square. Another one is minus 1 plus root over 1 minus y square. Now we want to identify. Minus. Okay, option 2 correct. Next minus plus minus. minus plus minus. Okay, fourth also correct. Here 2 and 4 are the correct answers for the problem. Okay students, two more problems from previous JEE mains. First one is the equation z minus iota modulus of z minus iota equal to modulus of z minus 1 represent what? So locus equation should find. So solution for that problem, let z equal to x plus iota y. We want to create an algebraic rule between x and y by using this rule. Okay, so just x plus iota y minus iota equal to x plus iota y minus 1. This is same as x plus y minus 1 iota equal to x minus 1 plus iota y. So mod z1 equal to mod z2 means z1 mod z1 square equal to mod z1 square only. So you know how to find mod z1, that is root over x square plus y minus 1 whole square equal root over x minus 1 whole square plus y square only. So squaring another side, you will get x square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Now I want to simplify it. So x square plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square. Y square get cancelled, x square get cancelled. So 1 also get cancelled. What you got Nana here? Y equal to x, or x is equal to y. X is equal to y, a straight line passing through origin having slope 1. So that's why a straight line passing through origin and having slope 1. So I can take 2 is the answer for the problem. Students, next problem. A is greater than 0 and z is 1 plus iota square by a minus iota. Has magnitude root over 2 by 5. Then you want to find conjugate of this complex number. Z bar should find. First of all, you want to simplify z. Okay, z equal to 1 plus iota square plus 2 iota by a minus iota. Iota square minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Now z is nothing but 2 iota by a minus iota. If you know the value of a, directly you can find the complex number z. After that you can find its conjugate. So to find a, hint is given. Its magnitude is root over 2 by 5. To find its magnitude, first of all you want to convert in the form of a plus iota b or x plus iota y. Then after you can find its magnitude. That's why z equal to 2I into a plus iota by a minus iota into a plus iota. Now I am multiplying here 2 iota into iota, 2 iota square, that is minus 2 plus 2a iota by a square minus iota square means plus 1. So what is this Nana? This is nothing minus 2 by a square plus 1 plus 2a by a square plus 1 iota. This is actual z. If you know the value of a, then only you can find its conjugate. To find a, hint is given. Its magnitude means mod z is given as root over 2 by 5 or mod z square equal to 2 by 5. Mod z square means what? Square of this 4 by a square plus 1 whole square. Okay, plus square of this 4a square by a square plus 1 whole square equal to 2 by 5. Now we need to simplify it. So what I am doing here? So I want to take a square plus 1 whole square LCM. 4 plus 4a square equal to 2 by 5. Once I can cancel 1, 2. So what happened in 10 plus 2a square, 10a square equal to a power 4 plus 2a square plus 1 or a power 4 minus 8a square minus 9 equal to 0. This can be written as a square minus 9 into a square plus 1 equal to 0. Clearly given a greater than 0. That's why this never 0. A square plus 1 never 0. Only one option is a square minus 9 equal to 0. A square minus 9 equal to 0. Somewhere I want right here a square minus 9 equal to 0 means actually a is equal plus or minus 3, but again given a greater than 0, therefore you can take a only 3. You can take a equal to 3. Now I want to write the what is z here. Z, actual z equal to 3 square 9 plus 1 10 minus 2 by 10 means minus 1 by 5 plus 2a means here 3 6 by 10 means 3 by 5 I. This is z, but I want conjugate of z, that is z bar equal to minus 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 iota. You know how to find the conjugate of a complex number x plus iota, just like x minus iota y. In front of iota you need to change the symbol. So now I want to check for option minus 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5 iota. So 3 is correct answer for the problem. Yeah, okay students, another interesting problem. Z1, Z2 are two complex numbers such that mod Z1 equal to 9, mod of Z2 minus 3 minus 4 iota equal to 4. Then the minimum value of modulus of Z1 minus Z2. Already explained, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 geometrical meaning is distance between 2 points Z1, Z2 on the organd plane. Okay, so first of all, observe here, Z1 is taken as A plus iota B. Mod Z1 means root over A square plus B square. Mod Z1 is given as 9. 9 equal to root over A square plus B square. Therefore, A square plus B square equal to 9 square. Means I can say that here Z1 is nothing but a point on the circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius is 9. Observe here, a square plus b square equal to 9 square means circular equation, standard circular equation. Therefore, Z1 is a point on circle with center 0, 0 and radius 9. Already you know the x square plus y square equal to r square is the equation, basic equation of circle whose center is 0, 0 radius is r. So what is the meaning of this? Z1 is a point on the circle. Okay. What is represent Z2? We need to find again. Okay. Now Z2 is taken as C plus iota D. Z2. Mod C plus iota D minus 3 minus 4 iota given as 4. This is nothing but C minus 3 plus D minus 4 iota equal to 4. This is nothing but root over C minus 3 square plus D minus square equal to 4. Or another words I can say that C minus 3 square plus D minus 4 whole square equal to 16, or can say 4 square. Interesting. X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square is equation of circle whose center is alpha comma beta and radius is r. Therefore, Z2 is a point on circle with center 3, 4 and radius 4 on organd plane. Okay, Z1 is a point on this circle, Z2 is a point on this circle organd plane. We want to find the minimum distance between Z1 Z2, mod of Z1 minus Z2. Understood? So distance should be minimum. So the answer is depend upon the position of the circles. Okay, two circles given on a plane, their position may be two different circles are given on a plane. There exist 5 possibilities. 1, 2, here touch each other, intersect each other, touch each other internally. One circle is touching another internally. So one circle is entirely inside the circle. So interesting thing, in this case, this is the distance between centers, say D, capital D. D is greater than this radius plus this radius, R1 plus R2. From concept of circles, you can conclude all these things. D is greater than R1 plus R2, you can say that the circles are never touch each other. So here D equal to this radius plus this radius. D equal to R plus R, capital R plus small r, R1 plus R2, whatever it may be. So say capital R is the radius of first circle, small r radius second circle. D is greater than R plus R, you can say that circles never touch each other. D equal to capital R plus small r, you can say that touch each other. So here what happened here? D is R1 plus R, capital R plus small r greater than D here. Capital R plus small r is greater than D. In this case, intersect each other. So this is interesting case. This is capital R minus small r gives distance between their centers. Capital R minus small r equal to distance between centers. You can say that they are touch each other internally, or one circle is touch another internally. Okay, student, just now explain the position of the circles on the plane. So depend upon the relation between the radii and distance between the centers only, you can say that they are intersect or touch each other or whatever. So depend upon the position only, you can find the minimum distance between Z1 and Z2. First of all, I want to find the distance between the centers. First circle center is 0, 0. Second circle center is 3, 4. I want to find distance root over 9 plus 16, that is equal to 5. Capital R, radius of the bigger circle is 9, radius of the smaller circle is 4. Okay, so what happened on here? 9 minus 4 is 5. Interesting thing, 9 minus 4 is 5. Means capital R minus small r equal to the distance. Means one circle touch each other. Circles are touch each other internally. Okay. Here Z1 stand for a circle with center 0, 0 and radius 9 is 1. Center is 0, 0 and radius 9. Z2 represent another circle whose center is 3, 4 and radius is 4. And observe that touch each other. Okay. Now Z1 is a point on this circle. Z2 is a point on this circle. We want to find least distance between them. Here, for example, here Z1, here Z2, this is the distance between them. For example, here Z1, this is the distance between them. For example, here Z1, here Z2, this is the distance. Here, no, what happened? Distance is decreasing, no? Means minimum distance between them is 0 only, because the circles are touch each other. At this point, both Z1 is the bigger circle at this point, Z2 is the small circle at this point, so distance between them is become 0. So minimum distance between them means I can say that 0. Fourth option is correct. Sometimes they will ask what the maximum distance. Do one thing. They are touching each other at this point, say P, the center of the first circle, center of the second circle. You know that these 3 points are collinear. So this distance is taken as the greatest distance between here Z1 and Z2. So your minimum distance of mod of Z1 minus Z2 means 0, I am saying. The greatest distance in mod of Z1 minus Z2 means I can say that this is the distance. How can you find distance? This total length means diameter of the bigger circle minus diameter of smaller circle gives the greatest distance between Z1 and Z2. That is, I can say mod of Z1 minus Z2.